is Maria Nessa. Let me introduce my husband. His name is Yogi Panata. He is 22 years old. He works at a coal company. He lives in Taliu Village, Karakwa District, Swiss Barito Regency, Central Kalimantan Province. My husband loves fishing and playing volleyball. He is Indonesian and comes from the Dayak Ngaju tribe. He is very loving and hardworking person. I am very happy to be with him. Thank you for listening.